divide 994 by 7 in a long division method? 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 9 and it is 29. 7 times 4 is 28. On subtracting, we get 1. So again, this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 4 and it is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting, we get 0. So 994 divided by 7 is 142. So this much for today and thanks for watching.